Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing your support. A gessoed panel prevents warping, so prime now. Once primed, sketch the rose center and main petals. This guides volume. Mix modeling paste and acrylic about 1:1 to retain tooth and color, which makes petals hold shape. Use a palette knife to load a thick bead where the bud sits. Press and pull to create a raised base. Make sure to work quickly so the paste bonds, and then let it tack before detailing. Now you build petals outward, adding paste in concentric shapes. Thicker where petals overlap, thinner at edges because that contrast sells 3D. Once a ring is shaped, soften edges with a damp brush to avoid hard ridges. Do this while the paste is still tacky. After each ring cures partially, sand lightly and add finer petal details. Then apply thin glazes of diluted acrylic to establish midtones and shadows. This creates depth without finish by refining highlights and edge color. Use a small brush or dry brush to lift edges with a lighter tint, because highlights define form. Once paint is fully dry, seal the piece with a matte or satin varnish to protect relief. Test varnish on an inconspicuous area first to confirm finish. If cracking or lifting occurs, rehydrate the affected paste lightly, fill and resculpt the petal. Then repaint that section. This repair keeps your composition cohesive and preserves the three-dimensional illusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.